This 2024 Airstream Pottery Barn 2.8 RBT Twin is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Millstone Township, New Jersey, 08535 and is offered for sale by Colonial Airstream RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Airstream is 28 feet 0 inches in length and features Oatmeal, light Seadrift interior, sleeps 5, carbon monoxide detector, auxiliary battery, oven, awning, water heater, smoke detector, microwave, skylight, external shower, refrigerator, and 37 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Airstream Pottery Barn 2.8 RBT Twin is 6,825 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.